Matt Goss, 54, was the third contestant to be voted off Strictly Come Dancing, with the Brothers singer being overcome with emotion when he heard the judge's decision. Upon reflection, Matt has spoken exclusively to Express. Co.uk about whether he believed he deserved to be voted out and what he thought of the judge's final decision. After a jive to All Shook Up by Paul McCartney, Matt and Nadia Bichkova found themselves in the bottom two against Kim Marsh and Graziano de Prima. Following the dance-off, it was the end of Matt and Nadia's Strictly journey as they became the next couple to leave this year's competition. Express.co.uk asked Matt whether he got what he wanted from Strictly, or if he felt he had more to give. He admitted, "I do think I was starting to open up. I think we're all individuals and we should be able to reveal ourselves at our own pace. Maybe I'm more reserved in some ways, not like I am on stage. I felt very uncomfortable at the beginning in the environment, not because of anything else. But yes, I felt I was starting to open up and I would have loved to continue." He went on, "I'm also proud of the way me and Nadia went out and danced, and yeah, so I think I was at that point." Nadia has also since leapt to her partner's defense about his dancing skills, telling BBC viewers that there is more to the experience. She said to Rylan Clark on It Takes Two, "It's not only about the dancing and the scores, Terry's so much more to Strictly. It's about what you learn along the way, and I think Matt learned so many things. The way he felt shy and not comfortable doing something he'd never done before on that floor, and in 4 weeks, I saw so much improvement in him, and I think he'll learn how to get through that shyness and go on that floor and shine, dancing. For me as a teacher and as his partner, that was the best thing to see, and I'm glad that people at home got to see it." This comes after Matt previously spoke to Express. Co.uk about the judge's harsh criticisms, despite his improvement week by week on the BBC show. He admitted, "I think if I'm improving, maybe the scores should reflect that. But I don't want to be that guy who moans about my scores. My life is an immediate fluidity to me the day after, so I don't really know if I'm honest. I haven't given my scores much thought." Despite getting emotional about being the third celebrity to leave the competition, on reflection, he has since noted that he's happy he left when he did. He said in the same interview, "But I did what I wanted to do. I wanted to come out of Strictly and be in Strictly and do myself, my mum and my family proud. You cannot change the outcome of things, and I'm happy that it felt right to leave in the 4th week. I got everything I needed out of it. I do feel that I was about to come out of my shell, but it's a very, very strange new environment I am learning in." Matt recorded his Christmas single The Beautiful Unknown with RPO at Fairfield Halls in Croydon last month. For more information, please visit his website.